Today we're going to be installing a toilet seat. We're not going to do the removal because we've already done that, and it's just the opposite of the installation. Just go in the reverse order. We bought this toilet seat at Lowe's. It was right around $13, one of the less expensive toilet seats. They range from $9 to $50, maybe even more. One of the first things that you'll want to do is, after you remove the old toilet seat, is you want to make sure you clean everything. It makes it really easy to access, and you want it nice and clean when you install the new toilet seat. There's really not a lot to a toilet seat installation. You're going to have the toilet seat itself. There will be two washers that will go between the toilet bowl and the lid. You've got two screws, and then you've got two, I kind of call them half wing nuts. You don't have the wing on both sides, so I'm going to call it a half wing nut. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put these plugs inside the holes that are found for the toilet seat. So you'll put both of them in. So we've got one of them in, then you just go ahead and put the other one in. You're then going to line up the holes of the toilet seat. So you go ahead and put the toilet seat on, line up those holes, and then you're going to put the screws inside of the holes and that little washer thing. So I've put one of them in. Now we'll go ahead and put the other one in. And there you have it. The next thing you're going to do is install the wing nut. You'll know with the wing nut it's got a tapered end, and that's the end you want going to the bowl. And that way it will fit nice and snug with the toilet bowl. So we're just going to get that on there and get it fairly snug. And once you get it semi-tight, go ahead and take a look at and make sure it's even. Once you get it even, and you want it even on both sides, well, that looks pretty good. Then you go ahead and take a screwdriver and tighten them up. And the best thing to do is, with one hand, reach underneath and grab the half wing nut. Of course, I'm filming, so I'm unable to do that, but you'll just go ahead and get it nice and snug. And then we'll go ahead and get the other side. Just want to get it nice and snug. Then the last thing you're going to do is just push down on these little tabs. That will secure it. And that is how you go ahead and replace a toilet seat. To take a toilet seat off, you just do the exact opposite. Good luck, and make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs. Thank you so much.